How's it going, everyone? Today I'm gonna review the Euro USD trade that I took today. I don't have the live execution, sadly, because took the trade on my phone. I was not at home at the moment. So you're gonna see the proof of the execution on the screen right now. Now let's go dive into the analysis. What was my narrative? What's the narrative? Narrative is the bias that you have and why I'm going to talk about what was I bullish. It was just a typical order flow trade, just a continuation model of the price, the trade that I took. I'm also going to talk about the setup. Why was the setup the why was this what was the good setup to take? I think I'll also talk about the NQ AM session. I didn't take a trade. I only take one trade a day. The Because I took the Euro USD trade, I didn't take any trades on AM session or PM session. Its PM session is currently going right now, but I'm not looking at it at all. So I'm gonna go. Let's start the analysis. So what do we have here? We're bullish on the Euro USD. I think till we take out this high. So I'm bullish for the upcoming week and days, as well as NQ. I'm bullish on NQ as well. Uh, so on the 4 hour, we have a bullish order flow going. This was the buy side liquidity that I was anticipating Paris to hit today. Mm, On 1 hour time frame, we see the sell side liquidity taken with a displacement causing the market structure shift on this highs. But I only looked at 30-minute chart at the moment. On the 30-minute chart as well as 1 hour, we took the sell side liquidity here. This low, we took the liquidity, went in the range. We consolidated. Consolidated a couple hours. Then we displaced up. We created the market structure shift with the order block here. So what we did, this is the Asian session. This is the consolidation, where the original consolidation was. On London, before London, we came down all the way to this order block. Um, my I thought that this low was the long-term low or intermediate-term low. Uh, so I thought this low won't be broken, so price should respect the order block and continue bullish order flow to this buy side that I have marked here. So so it took this sell side liquidity. Price came down all the way here down here to this order block during London. As you can see, London before London and London as well. We came down to this order block. We mitigated that. Gonna go lower time frame now. Going to 1 minute. The trade that I executed was on a 1 minute time frame. So as you can see, price we took sell side liquidity on a 1 minute as well. Sell side liquidity on a 1 minute as well. We displaced down, then we displaced up again. We disrespected this PD arrays here. We disrespected this fair value gap. I could have entered here. I could have entered on this inversion fair value gap, but I didn't because sometimes forex, on mainly from my experience, what I've had experience from, forex does this big moves, disrespects the fair value gap, but doesn't go my way. So I needed the market structure shift that happened here, and this I wanted this candles to become bullish breaker. So as we saw here, this candles became bullish breaker. So I entered on this candle, and my stop was below this bullish breaker. I only targeted 1 to 2. It was not 1 to 2, but this I literally came out on this on the top of here, but price would still hit my TP. Doesn't matter. It was 1 to 2 here for me. It was the enough. I knew price would have hit this buy side, but my goal is not to trade this much RR. I don't want to get greedy in my strategy and my plan. In my plan, I don't take this big. Uh, I don't have big targets like that. So I'm happy with my profits mainly. With my it's not little, but it's a profit. Mm, I want high win rate with 1 to 2 average risk to reward. That's my goal. So we took this trade. Price hit perfect. Really, we consolidated. We took sell side here, and then we displaced up again. Disrespected this mm, bearish PDA raise. Oh, there's a re-entry that could have taken here. Stop below the low because we took the liquidity, so this low should not be broken if we are bullish, and take profit anywhere here, or maybe Asian high. So then we on New York we took the buy side liquidity that I had marked out. Yeah, I didn't call out this trade on my Discord because I was on the phone. As I said, I was not at home, so I couldn't do that. I did screenshot the trades and the analysis before, but I couldn't put it in the Discord. I was not home. So let's go to NQ now and review the AIM session. Uh, on NQ, what we have, let's delete this. We have a bullish order flow, but it doesn't matter now. We see that price before New York Open, 8:15. We took this sell side liquidity here, this low. We took this sell side liquidity, and we respected this bullish fair value gap. As you can see, wicks went in this range. As you can see, this is the range from this swing low to swing high. This is a range that we took sell side from, but we uh, wicked in. So that means from my city teachings, wicks do the damage, but it's still the story. So keep in mind, keep that in mind. So on AM session, let me tell this indicator on. On AM session, what you could have, no, not much of a fan of this price action, but what was your thought process should have been this low should not be taken if you're bullish. So if we're bullish, let's say we're bullish. I think it should have been bullish, but as I talked in the analysis, but uh, let's say you're bullish. Mm, what do we see? On 8:30, there's no trades, as you can see. Nothing to work with. Maybe entered some fair value gap from to this to the buy side here, but nothing to take in my opinion. Uh, we came on 9:30 opening, the stock exchange opening. We will go up, we manipulate these highs, then we displace down. We take sell side that we make throughout the process. We took this low and this low as well. Uh, After we took this low, this sell side liquidity, we had a market structure shift to the upside, and we also disrespected this bearish fair value gap. So this could have been your entry, and you should have anticipated this low not to get broken or taken. Doesn't matter. You could have entered off of this inversion fair value gap, or there's another chance as well. There's a bullish order block here, but I don't take trades from the order block mainly. because I don't think it's the high probability without the fair value gap. So when I don't see a fair value gap here, I don't take trades from this. So after price came down to this bullish order block, it wicked, respected this order block with the wick. It went up again. Another market structure shift here. Market structure shift here. With this and price disrespecting this bearish fair value gap, this flips to a inversion fair value gap, and you could have entered on this, and your stop could have been on the low here, and TP on the opposing liquidity here, or even Asian high, or price pumped more. That's what you could have taken at least. But in my opinion, I wouldn't place my stop here. It would be kind of risky. Yeah, from my point of view. But as you can see, you could have done that and won and printed some money. You could have waited for more confirmation as well from this discount array. You could have waited for the displacement, and you could have entered maybe for more confirmation from this bullish candle. Stop here, TP here, but your stop would be a way bigger. So nothing really that I see. We just continued going up after this. We came all the way down to this discount fair value gap. We mitigated it, then we displaced up, came down again. We took this sell side short-term low liquidity. We displaced up another time. We respect this bullish fair value gap here, and then we displaced again, create a market structure shift, and after that market structure shift, and after we disrespected this bearish fair value gap, look how price came all the way down and literally to the tick touched this inversion fair value gap and continued going up to this buy side here. There's something to the buy side here that you could have targeted. I think that's it for the AM session on NQ. I'm still bullish for the week because of the analysis video that I made. Uh, PM session is not looking good for now. I'm not gonna trade as well as I said today because I already took the trade today and won. So I think we're done now. I'm still thinking we're going to take out this high, and go for this buy side uh for the week, for this week. So I think we're done for the for today's teachings. I would suggest you to come and be a part of my Discord community, where I love sharing insights and teaching in the way that brings people together. Uh, I think you're gonna benefit from joining the Discord. I'm not selling you anything. Uh, it's to join the Discord is free. So I'll wait you there. Goodbye. Have a great trading week.